JK Rowling was born on July 31st in Yate, England. As a child, she had a passion for storytelling and would often write stories and draw illustrations to accompany them. However, her path to success was far from easy. After graduating from university, JK Rowling struggled to find employment and was eventually diagnosed with depression. She had hit rock bottom and was a single parent living in welfare, but she refused to give up on her dreams. In her own words, she said, "Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life." During her darkest moments, she turned to writing as an escape and began working on a story about a young boy wizard named Harry Potter. She poured her heart and soul into this project and sent it off to publishers, only to be rejected time and time again. But JK Rowling did not let rejections get her down. She persevered, believing in herself and her story, and eventually her hard work paid off. In 1997, Bloomsbury Publishing accepted her manuscript, and Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was born. Since then, JK Rowling has become one of the most successful authors of all time, selling over 500 million copies of her books worldwide. She has won numerous awards and accolades, inspiring generations of readers and writers alike. In her own words, JK Rowling has said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default." Her story is a testament to the power of persistence and resilience. No matter how many times she was rejected, she refused to give up on her dreams, and now she serves as an inspiration to anyone who has ever faced adversity in their lives. So if you are feeling down and discouraged, remember the story of JK Rowling. Remember that success does not come easy, but with hard work and determination, anything is possible. As she once said, "We do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all of the power we need inside ourselves already."